How to cook tasty Ridge Gourd and prawns gravy. Take 3 to 4 Ridge Gourd. Peel the skin and wash it thoroughly. Chop 1 onion and 2 tomatoes. Fry the onion in the heated oil pan until it turns golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes and stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon of homemade ginger garlic paste. Cook it well until the mix leaves the oil on top. Add 5 to 6 prawns and little bit of water to the cooked masala. Add 3 whole green chilies. Do not cut or chop the chilies as you do not want the gravy to be too hot. Add chopped coriander and stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and mix it well. Cook the gravy for 10 minutes in low-medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, chopped Ridge Gourd and mix it well. Add little bit of coconut milk at the end to have a smooth and creamy texture. It will enhance the taste of the gravy and cuts the excess spiciness. Let it cook for 10 more minutes. Tasty Ridge Gourd prawns gravy is ready to be served. Please try this at home and post the review in comments given by your loved ones.